It's a hot day here in Florida. I just wanted to touch base on some stuff going on. I went to the Mustangs at Daytona event. I didn't record a lot. I had family there. Darius drove 12 hours, D Creators. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Okay, I won his raffle. He drove 12 hours down to hang out. We had a great time. Darius and his wife, great people. They're just the type of people when you talk to you felt like you've known your whole life. They don't feel like strangers at all. So I didn't record a ton of the show, but Darius got some good footage. He's really good at editing. He's got a nice camera compared to me. So if you want to see really good footage of the show, go to his channel. Like I said, link in the description. And give him a like, give him a sub, tell him Horseplay sent you. You know, the more he has, the more the Mustang community grows. He has a Mach 1 swapped SN95. So he took a V6 car, put a 4-valve Mach 1 engine in it, and then took that V6 and put it in a Fox body. Why? Why not? I mean, the Fox body was nothing, and now it's a driving car. So he's got 2 Mustangs, great builds, great personality, great channel. So give him a like, a follow, and like I said, I didn't record a ton because I wanted it to be, you know, more personal, you know. And I had my niece and nephews and stuff. If you're recording, you're not really enjoying the family time, and I wanted to do that. There was over 300 cars registered, about 150 and 160 showed up. A lot had issues with making it and things like that. But we're hoping to make it grow every year. So it was bigger than last year. So, 19, last year, 2020 was canceled because of COVID. So 21 was awesome. A lot more cars, a lot better turnout, more events, nice trophies, nice vendors. Had a great time. Jeff Dixon, the guy that sets this up, goes above and beyond, and he really puts together a great show. If you any of my guys out there, S550 guys, check out Stang Goodies. I'll leave a link in the description also. He's got a S550 base store, but he has S197 parts as well. Make your car look good. He was one of the sponsors of the show, and just great guy all around. The guy's name is Adam. I just can't say enough great things about these people who was there and helped support the show. Andrew did come out. He brought El Chapo out. Sorry, my getting shaky there. Anyway, Andrew brought El Chapo out. So it was great. I'm happy to know these people. I hit up Jonathan Harder. Darius was able to meet Harder and ride in his Corvette and see his Mustang. Darius met Andrew. And it was just, you know, it was great to be able to put these connections together, because, you know, people drive all this way and don't get to meet the people they came to see. It's kind of, you know, it kind of can be heartbreaking. You know, they're not celebrities, but at the same time, they're just people that you can relate to. They're car people you really want to meet. So give Darius a subscribe. Go watch his video. He's got me in it, of course, so you should really watch it because of that. But no, he has got great editing skills, great footage of the show, and I think you'll really like it. So without further ado, here is what I got of the show, and hope y'all enjoy.
Mustangs at Daytona, Gary Elman Ford, leaving for lunch in St. Augustine.
guys, Mustangs are just starting to pull in. One of the cars that's already caught my eye is this Fox Buddy right here that actually has a 4.6 2-valve swap. PI and a Calypso or Cali Green it says, but wow. It's got newer seats with the TMI covers on it. It's got an SN95 steering wheel. Look how clean the trunk is. Gorgeous car. There's the Instagram. Another awesome car is this Roush right here. This is a Roush with a factory Roush shaker hood. This is a one-of-one car with this color with the shaker hood, being a stage 2 not supercharged. One of one, has a side exhaust, this color convertible, shaker hood. Gorgeous car. Another one of my favorite cars, even though it is a vert, factory supercharged Saleen Mustang. Yes, it's Saleen, not Saline. This car is pretty mint. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Some of y'all probably already know iconic Shelby, 1,000 horsepower GT500, runs 8s. Pretty sure it's been on Baba Yaga and a few other channels, but yeah, this car is extremely fast. Love the color combo. Another pretty unique car here, just with the color selection. It's got like the chrome orange accents. It's a military car. It's got a Second Amendment thing there. It's the inside. It's got this air ride control holder right there. And then what I really like is the trunk setup. And then of course it's got the dog tags and all the branches there. And then even the exhaust tips are colored. Really nice accents. Just something I haven't seen before, so I think that's what I like most about it. Just went to lunch, came back, and there's a Honda parked next to me. Like, really? It's a Mustang event, you gonna park a Honda next to me? That ass though? What kind of white girl shit is that? Honda owners. Alright guys, this is definitely the cleanest Fox here. It's got the welds, aerospace brakes, it's got dual calipers in the back. Look at that. Perfect interior. Just gorgeous, gorgeous car. Absolutely love this Fox. Got a nice clean Roush. And y'all should know Mr. Lewis's ProCharge GT350, the ProCharge Beast. Andrew's 1,300 horsepower El Chapo. And then we got this nice Shelby GT350 with a VMP Odin on it. Nice, nice car. That is simply gorgeous. It's got the welds on it. Love the color. The mirrors. Wow. It's a supercharged GT with the water cooled Vortec on it. Love it. And then of course Nick's car, turbocharged Coyote. with the automatic 6R80. This car is just badass. I absolutely love this car. Some good cars coming in. Got an old Shelby. Convertible.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I won't turn around. No matter how far I go, I'll never come